Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy SEO Learn. I'm Aiden and you are here for another video about WordPress SEO plugin. As we talked before, I introduced you some the famous WordPress plugin like RankMas, SEO, Yoast, and we compare these two wonderful WordPress SEO plugin. But in this video, we are going to learn and introduce some of the best WordPress SEO plugin in the 2023 and in this year. As I told you, in this video, I introduce you the top 5 actually WordPress SEO plugin. Here we talk about Yoast, RankMas Pro, AIO SEO, monsterinsight, and these wonderful plugin. Only we introduce them, and if you want to learn more about them, how to install, configure, and optimize them, you can watch the individual video about that plugin. For example, RankMas and Yoast are available in my channel, and at the beginning of the video I want to tell you and ask you, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and if you like it, share with your friends and comment for me how can I be better and better. Thank you for your support, for your I receive a lot of views and comments in Instagram. You can subscribe my channel on YouTube, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and you can visit my website. It's going to be open, and it's new, but you have see a lot of things that are wonderful and benefits and very good for you. Thank you very much. Let's go and learn and introduce the new plugins. Number 1. The number 1 plugin is RankMas SEO, and it's one of the most important and famous WordPress plugin, WordPress SEO plugin. And you know, if you have a WordPress website and you have a webmaster, 100% you know and use with this plugin. At the top of the video now, I put the complete video of RankMas. So if you don't see that video now, you can click on it and watch that video, how to install, configure, and optimize it. It's very complete, a lot of language supported. It's a lot of people use it, and I have a comparison with RankMas and Yoast. You can watch that and that's it. It's very one of the most important and one of the best in the world. Number 2 is AIO SEO. It's one of the best WordPress SEO plugin. It's like RankMas, like Yoast. It has a lot of availability for you. It makes you more powerful, and it has a lot of things. In the future, I will make the complete video for AIO, but until now you can test it, and in the next week I have a video about it and you can watch it. And the number 3 is Yoast. Yoast is wonderful. All of us know it. You 100% know it, and it's very familiar for all the webmasters. I have a complete video about it, how to install and configure it. At the top of this video now, you can click on it and watch it complete and like it if you like that video. Again and again, I want to ask you, follow my Instagram, subscribe YouTube, and visit my website, and follow me on TikTok. Number 4 is HubSpot. HubSpot is a very big and wonderful academy about SEO. You can learn everything. You can receive a lot of certificate about SEO. I have all the SEO certificate in HubSpot Academy. It's very good, all of them, and a lot of practice and notes for you. This is number 4. In the future, I will make this plugins video too. You can watch it. Thank you. And number 5 is Monster Insights. In the future, I will have a video for you about this. It's very important. You can use it with Google Analyze. Apologize. And it's very complete. Believe me, it's very complete. And that's it. This is the 5 best WordPress SEO plugin. Thank you very much to be with me until here. Follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and visit my website and TikTok. Easy SEO Learn. Here we learn SEO easy, simple, and fast. Thank you very much. With this video, I will be back soon with a better video. Thank you very much. Click on subscribe button. Has a warm help from you. Thank you very much. See you soon. I will back. Goodbye.